This brand is made in the USA by GE Appliances, which is a part of Haier, and the units are available at many retail outlets as well as online through Amazon. All of the units are for cooling only, use environmentally friendlier 32 refrigerant, and have 3 fan speeds with ECO and sleep modes for energy savings. The QHEK models have built-in Wi-Fi and voice command control with an 11.3 EER efficiency. They use basic compressor technology and have a noise rating of 63 decibels, which is loud compared to many other brands and models. The QHE units do not have the built-in Wi-Fi or voice control and are less efficient, while the ESAQ models are their quietest at 42 decibels and most efficient with a 12.1 EER efficiency. The warranty on the brand is not very good when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.